I always like to start with the music. It just makes me happy. It brings the energy on. And today I can't play because I don't have the instrument right next to me. My name is Habia Gill. I am one of your gut health and weight loss mentor. How do mentors motivate themselves? I was asked this yesterday. One of my new mentee, her name is Neha. She asked me a lot of good questions, and one of the question was, Habia, motivate how do you motivate yourself? I hope I said motivate. How do you motivate yourself? Now, most of the mentor, all of us, we have done the program ourselves, so we have been in your shoes. We understand what you are going through, what you will be going through throughout the program. That's number one. And we have been, like, I have been 92 kilos, right? And now I want to go back there. That's a big motivation for me. I know I can think of so many mentors who have been there and they never want to go back there. And you want to change, right? Once you have lost the weight, why would you go back there? That's my motivation. I constantly think of that person I was, and I constantly want to the person I am. Always. I always remember that. I will never forget that I was once upon a time 92 kilos. Also, good thing about fat is that we got a lifestyle in place which is 80-20 lifestyle. Now, if you like it, please drop a comment below. Hey Jyoti, thank you for supporting. Hey Aman, how you going? Hey Sim, I have seen your message. Sim, I will get back to you. I have seen it. I haven't read it. I have seen it. And so this 80-20 lifestyle, now I love it. 80-20 lifestyle. What 80-20 lifestyle is that 80% of the time you eat healthy and 20% of the time you indulge. So for me, Monday to Friday, our house, we have changed the lifestyle. Our house eats healthy. Not just me. Our house, everybody in our house eat healthy. And Saturday and Sunday, we guilt-free indulge. Now, this is after the program, not on the program. You can ask your mentor about it. Hey, Payal, how you going? I can see you there. Hello, Hermeet. Thank you for supporting. Hey, Jyoti. Thank you for coming on. Yes, we will get your mentor connected to you, Jyoti. Now, 80-20 lifestyle, I think is the dream lifestyle. Fat has given me that lifestyle, and I can say, fingers crossed, that I never gain weight. Because I know Monday to Friday I'm going to eat healthy, and Saturday, Sunday I can guilt-free indulge. I can enjoy. Like, how good is that? That then food is in front of you. You can eat it and you feel good about it. Because Monday to Friday you will eat healthy again, right? If you have gained a kilo on the weekend, you can lose it. You got time to lose it. So that's me. 80-20 lifestyle is the best. Now you can say that I am not one of those people who can, think like you, Habia. Then we have a proper plan in place for you. Now this is called Step 4 Meal Plan. If you are doing our program, you have the access to our website. You can go have a look at Step 4 Meal Plan. Now Step 4 Meal Plan is for those people who actually struggle to maintain their weight most of their life. And it's a guide for you. Hey Mandy, how you going? Good to see you here. And it's a guide for you how you can actually maintain that weight following that simple Step 4 meal plan. So have a look at that, ask your mentor about it, and they will help you with that. Hey Varsha, good to see you here. So many people coming on. I love it. Hey Sana. Now 80-20, I love 80-20. Once you have lost the weight, if you follow 80-20, the weight doesn't come back on. Only fat has the perfect setup, the perfect tool for you to sustain your weight. Now, hey Daljit, thank you so much for watching. Once you lose the weight, I think it goes to everyone. You all of the sudden have this love for your body. Imagine, I know Aman has lost 30 kilos, and Aman has lost 30 kilos. She loves herself now. She just loves it. The way she looks, the way she walks, the energy in her body, everything is different. She won't go back where she was. You make healthy choices. You can never do what you were doing before. You learn from fat, you implement that in your life, and you keep doing it. Simple. And if you repeat the same mistakes again, you go back to the hole again. But while you're on the fat program, you learn about food. There's so many recipes we have in the recipe pages. If you're on the fat program, you have the access to recipe pages. Scroll through 35 kilos. Yay, you're so good. Sonia, how you going? I love this, all the love going on here. So, scroll through the recipe pages. There's so many yummy, delicious recipe for the snack. You can make snacks. You can make breakfast, lunch, dinner. There's tools, right? We need the tools. We don't need the talk. We need the tools. So Fat got the tools for you. Love for your body over love for the food. I seriously, yesterday, a gulab jamun walked into our house somehow. Just kidding, you guys will understand. And I looked at the gulab jamun. It's my weakness, right? I love gulab jamun. I hold it in my hand. I looked at it. I said, you're going to make me fat. You're going to go sit on my waist. And I'm not going to like that. Next time I put that skirt on, the skirt won't fit me. I put it back. Didn't need it. Love for the body over the love for the food. It will come. Once you lose that weight, you love yourself. You love the way you look. You love the way you feel small. Hey, Parvinder, this is the Fat program. I love the Fat program. It's totally amazing. We are different from any other program on the planet because we are just normal human who have lost the weight ourselves, and we are, is it Fat program? Yes, this is the Fat program. And we are promoting what we love and what we have done. And then being mentors, we are surrounded by success. Now you are part of Healthy Living Group. On your news feed, 1 post will pop up, 2 posts will pop up, 3 posts will pop up in a day. Someone lost 10 kilos, someone lost 20 kilos, someone lost this, someone lost that. For us, we see it all day long. And because of that, like imagine my mentee telling me she lost 400 grams, or they're sending me the picture of their food, like how much motivation there is for me. Because I'm just surrounded by success all the time, surrounded by health all the time, surrounded by good stuff all the time. So for us, hey Sandeep, good to see you here. I am loving all these people popping on. I think this is the best time to do a live so I can see my people. So thank you for your support. And this is what I love and how I get motivated. And Sandeep is losing a lot of weight. She's sending me her weights every day. That motivates me. And if you're my mentee, you're watching my live, I won your weights. And you know why I won your weights this week, right? So I have already sent you a message. Please send me your weights and keep losing. And if you're not on the program, drop a comment below. Look for your mentor, find your mentor and get on the program. Fat program is the best program. I'm telling you, there's no other program on the planet. We have helped a lot of people who have done, 10s and 20s of other program before. But Fat worked. You will see that over and over and over again. It's a gut health and a weight loss program. And I love this program. Hey, Garima, thank you so much. Lots of love to you all. I love this energy. Rebecca, I am a mentor. I think you are inspiring. You are incredible. Yes, you are. Thank you so much. Everyone is inspiring here. Hey, Veerpal, thank you so much. And have a good night. I'm going to come live at this time. I love this time. Thank you so much for all the love. I'll wave at some of you and have a good night. Hopefully I have given some value on this Monday motivation day. Bye.